Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation x plus 1 over x plus 1 whole squared plus x over x plus 1 whole squared equal to 8. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. We can rewrite this expression as x plus 1 over x plus 1 is same as x over x whole squared plus can write this expression as x over x plus 1 plus this 1 is same as x plus 1 over x plus 1 whole squared equal to 8. Can write the denominator x and this x plus 1 plus x will become 2x plus 1 whole squared plus can write the common denominator x plus 1 and this x plus 1 will become 2 times x plus 1 whole squared equal to 8. Now we suppose that let 2 times x plus 1 equal to u. This implies that x is equal to u minus 1 over 2. If we add 1 to both sides, this will become x plus 1 equal to u minus 1 over 2 plus 1. You can write denominator 1, take LCM, LCM is 2, this u minus 1 plus 2 divided by 1 is 2, 2 times 1, 2. So this will become x plus 1 is equal to u plus 1 over 2. So this equation will become u divided by x is u minus 1 over 2 whole squared plus this will become u divided by x plus 1 is u plus 1 over 2 whole squared equal to 8. Further simplify, this will become 2 times u divided by u minus 1 whole squared plus this will become 2 times u divided by u plus 1 whole squared equal to 8, and this will become 4u squared divided by u minus 1 whole squared plus this will become 4u squared divided by u plus 1 whole squared equal to 8. Now 4 is a common factor, so we factor out 4. In bracket left u squared over u minus 1 whole squared plus u squared over u plus 1 whole squared equal to 8. If we divide both sides by 4, this will become u squared over u minus 1 whole squared plus u squared over u plus 1 whole squared equal to 2. Now we take LCM of these two denominators. The LCM is u minus 1 whole squared times u plus 1 whole squared. So u squared times this expression u plus 1 whole squared plus this u squared times this expression u minus 1 whole squared equal to 2. Next, u squared times expand this u plus 1 whole squared, this will become u squared plus 2 times u plus 1 plus u squared times expand this u minus 1 whole squared, this will become u squared minus 2 times u plus 1 divided by Multiply this expression by this expression, this will become u squared minus 1 whole squared equal to 2. This u squared times u squared will become u to the power 4, and u squared times 2u plus 2u cubed. U squared times 1 plus u squared plus u squared times u squared, u to the power 4, u squared times negative 2u, negative 2u cubed, and u squared times plus 1 plus u squared equal to, this will become 2 times, expand this u squared minus 1 whole squared, this will become u to the power 4 minus 2u squared plus 1. From left hand side, this negative 2u cubed will be cancelled with this positive 2u cubed, and u to the power 4 plus u to the power 4 will become 2 times u to the power 4, and u squared plus u squared will become 2 times u squared equal to, distribute this to 2 times u to the power 4, 2u to the power 4, 2 times negative 2u squared, negative 4u squared, and 2 times plus 1 plus 2. Subtract 2u to the power 4 from both sides. So this cancelled out and this cancelled out. Move this negative 4u squared to the left hand side. This will become 2 times u squared plus 4 times u squared equal to 2. 2u squared plus 4u squared will become 6u squared equal to 2. Divide both sides by 6. This will become u squared equal to 2 over 6. Further simplify, this will become u squared equal to 1 over 3. And if we take a square root of both sides, this implies that u is equal to plus minus 1 over root 3. To rationalize the denominator, we multiply and divide by root 3. So this will become u is equal to plus minus 1 times root 3 divided by root 3 times root 3 will become 3. Now recall that we have supposed that 2x plus 1 equal to u. We have supposed that 2 times x plus 1 equal to u. Since u is plus minus root 3 over 3, so this will become 2 times x plus 1 equal to plus or minus root 3 divided by 3. Move this 1 to the right hand side, this will become 2 times x equal to negative 1 plus minus root 3 divided by 3. If we divide both sides by 2, this implies that x is equal to negative 1 over 2 plus minus root 3 over 6. It means that from here we get two solutions. First one is negative 1 over 2 plus root 3 over 6. Second is negative 1 over 2 minus root 3 over 6. So these are the two real solutions for this equation.